will be wrong posture. Okay, now everyone achieved. Okay, now how is Tribangi number 0? Coco, darling, where are you? Just show the Tribangi number 0. Tribangi number 0. Just show so that the Didis can remember. Not choka, Tribangi. Lifting one leg and shifting. How was it? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. This is number 0, Tribangi. Okay. Now everyone, we will stand on our left foot. Okay. Now right foot is towards the right side. Now left hand is on the waist bone, not on the waist. On the waist bone. Right hand is on the thigh. Now lift it and 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep on doing 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Torso, move your torso, Annalisa. Torso and the face. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Very good. Okay. Annalisa, very good. Now, Juliana, my request for the other side, at least you will try. So now everything is coordinated fine. But this knee, again, the problem with your pelvic area. Okay. Now your knee is coming forward a little bit, like this. 1, 2. Open up. Okay, so let's try the left side. Now Juliana's task is to open this knee. Okay, left side. Coco, please become their inspiration. 5, 6, 7, left side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2, 3, 4, 5. More torso, yes. 7, 8. And 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Okay, now Annalisa was very good. Don't worry if you fall down. It's okay. Everyone falls down. But all my students, after 6 months, it takes maybe 6 months, it's okay. You can do 4 sets of 8 counts. Okay, what you have to aim is 2 minutes in choka and 4 sets of this 8 counts without falling. That is where you have to achieve. Okay, set a target. Okay, but I give you 6 months. All right. Now today we will do number 2 choka. How is number 2 choka? Let me ask, because we have done Annalisa and Juliana. I want to review yesterday's. Annalisa, how was it? Okay, your elbow was okay. Today I want to see perfect form. Now I'm also already recording. Now Coco, tell me how is number 2 choka. Show me how is number 2 choka, Coco. Already also Rene has done this one. 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, this one. Okay. let's start. So this was number 2 choka. 5, 6, 7, start. And 1, 2, very slowly. And left 1, 2, and right 1, 2, and left 1, 2, and right 1, 2, and left 1, 2, and right 1, 2, and left 1, 2. Double 1 and 2, and 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 1 and hip down, Rene, and 1 and 2. Double 1 and 2, 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 and yes. Annalisa, your elbows are good. I'm very happy. Okay. Now, Juliana is really grateful, but your hip is coming up little bit. So if I exaggerate your movement, 1 and 2, 1, okay. So hip is little bit still going. It is reduced. Okay. But what I wanted was 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So only that this leg is coming up, but not your hip is coming up. No. Not moving. Okay. We can do it once more. Okay. Rene has to keep your hip down. Okay. It is so much fun. Okay. Again. So let me see. Now the inspiration is Annalisa because Annalisa's hip is not moving. So please learn something from her. 5, 6, 7, start. And 1, 2, 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 and 1, 2. Double 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Double 1 and 2, 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 1 and 2. Good job. Oh. Okay, it is very strange feeling. Is it a dance or torture? Okay, but it will become a dance. Okay, not now. Now, Juliana, yesterday also, I noticed when you are doing the left hand, 1, this is fine, right side is fine. 1 and, what is this? And 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Pataka, keep it pataka throughout. Okay. Now, Rene, if you remember, I have said for Rene, when you stamp your right leg, your torso is here. Okay, torso, this chest part. Torso is going to the left. When you stamp your left, your torso is going to the right and the neck is going to the right. Going to the left. When you stamp your left, your neck is going to the right. When you stamp your right, your neck is going to the right, your torso is going to the left. Torso you have to also use. Okay. torso and your neck is going to the other side. And Annalisa is fine. Yes, when you become tired, slowly your heel, all the movements are correct. So for your great news, you have to do again. Okay. Again, 5. We will make Annalisa as a model. I don't know, Coco is not there. 5, 6, 7, start. And 1, 2, 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 and 1. Very good, Annalisa. Double 1 and 2. Opposite. 1 and opposite torso. Rene. 1 and 2. Yes. 1 and yes. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Double 1 and 2. 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 Good. Okay. Enough is enough, I know. All right. Let's try. Yesterday also Annalisa and Juliana, we tried. Remember how was number 1 Tribangi Coco? Can you adjust the screen and show us? Okay, so Annalisa and Juliana, just remember what is number 1 Tribangi. 5, 6, 7, start. 1, 2. Are? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Hands on the knees. If you remember, we did this. 1, 2. Now, using 3 and 4, you come back with your torso and neck. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. Double. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 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 1, 2, 3, and double. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, very good. Annalisa, very good today. Okay, your timing, your movement, everything is correct today. Very good. Okay, left side. 5, 6, 7, start. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Double. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 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 1, 2, 3. Double. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. 5, 2, 3, 4. 6, 2, 3, 4. 7, 2, 3, 4. 8, 2, 3, 4. Thank you. Okay, good. Any question? Renee is like, okay, Masako, goodbye. Hasta la vista to India. Okay, it is tough, okay, but we have to go through this. I think more or less it is becoming better. Okay, more or less it's fine. But I think I would say Annalisa is fine. I think also Juliana is fine. But the thing is, Juliana, you have to do this exercise. Okay, not now, but you know, like this part. Okay, so you open in many, you know, ways. Also, don't do it. Okay, just I will just give you a good, you know, like if you have, you don't need block, but if you have something, if you know, because I don't need blocks. Okay, but the thing is, I want you to, you know, do different exercises like this. You can open, and if it's difficult, you can keep something like here, like something hide your books or something. Okay, like just do this, and the other side also. Okay, so somehow also you can just come for the body and mind class. Okay, we can do this. Okay, so that is required. Okay, good. Now, what is Tribangi number 2? Coco, remember, show me, how is it? Show me, just show me, lightly. And how was it? Yes, this one. So, and here. Wrist down, wrist down, wrist down. Yes. Okay, I think remember everyone. 5. So, Coco, can you go a little bit back so that Rene Bhaiya can see and practice with you? Yeah, go back more. We cannot see your face. Okay, please also everyone adjust your screen so that I can see, you know, as much as I can. I mean, as much as big as possible. Okay, so that I can see your body. 5, 6, 7, start. And so, and he, and so, and he. Beautiful, Coco. Thank you. And so, and he, and so, and he. Double. So, and so is not moving. So, and heel. 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 Double. So, heel. 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 Good girl. Very good. It's tiring, Rene, it's very difficult. Okay, but the torso is moving here also. So torso is going here and neck is going there. So is. So is. Okay. And also my request to everyone is look at Coco's video. Every time I'm giving you the link so that you can see how it looks. What is the difference? Okay, now today I could mark, Annalisa, your wrist is better than yesterday. Okay, so it's a good development from yesterday, only in one day. But you look at Coco, how she looks. What is the difference? I used to see, you know, Indians, they have, you know, like a lensy, like, you know, like long hand, long elbow. No, it was nothing like that. Okay, it doesn't matter whatever your proportion is. Okay. Now, Juliana, I think I have no complaints. From yesterday, you were like, this is very, very also clear. Okay, so keep on doing. Okay, sometimes you just make mistakes, like you're not sure, but you will get used to it. Okay, so keep doing it. Everything is fine. Okay, now again, Coco. The other side, 5, 6, 7, start, and so, keep, so, keep, so, keep, so, heel, double, so and heel and 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 so and heel, double, so heel, 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 so heel. Yes, very good. Okay, I think this was very good. Also, Rene is looking like a little bit like Indian style. Very good. Okay, only one thing, Annalisa, everything was perfect, but I don't know, this was, you can see also in the video later, but it was becoming after, in the beginning, it was fine. Okay. After that, like, so because you are busy here. No, everywhere you have to be aware. Okay. So how much faster or not falling down with this hand. Okay. So just remember. Okay. Very good. Now, number 3, Choka. Yesterday's nightmare. Okay. So maybe, I don't know, Coco, sometimes she makes mistake, but let me try with modeling, Coco modeling. 5. Choka number 3. 5, 6, 7, start. And 1, 2, 3, shift, so and 1, 2, 3, shift, so and 1, yes, 2, 3, shift, so and 1, 2, 3, shift, so elbows, Annalisa, 1, 2, 3, shift, so 1, 2, 3, shift, so and 1, 2, 3, shift, torso and 1, 2, 3. Shift, torso, dadu, 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Juliana, look at 2, 2, 3. Look at Annalisa. 3, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. Elbow, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. Thank you. Good. Annalisa did perfect today. Huh? Okay, so Juliana, it is very difficult to understand. Okay, because your hand speed was going again the same speed as the first row speed. So we have to do again. Okay, so please bear with me. So Rene, keep on trying. Okay, so Coco did in the middle she was fine, but in the beginning she made mistakes. Okay, again, everyone, 5. Hands are here. And also, Annalisa, your right hand was still little bit bent. Left hand was good. Here. Okay, 5, 6, 7, start. And heel, stand, stamp, shift, torso. 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 Double. 1, 2, 3. Shift. 2, 2, 3. Shift. 3, 2, 3. Shift. 4, 2, 3. Shift. 1, 2, 3. Shift. 2, 2, 3. Shift. 3, 2, 3. Shift. 4, 2, 3. Left hand. 1, 2, 3. Shift. 2, 2, 3. Shift. 3, 2, 3. Shift. 4, 2, 3. Shift. 1, 2, 3. Shift. 2, 2, 3. Shift. 3, 2, 3. Shift. 4, 2, 3. Shift. Okay. I know it is painful, but at least I think you can feel you're becoming strong. Okay. Any questions, everyone? No, you don't understand?
No, it's already difficult, but then also the change in time, like the first slow is 1/4, and then it's 1/2. So that's.
Yeah. But you understood, no? The system in the mind. Yeah. Okay. I think, yes, good.
Practice.
So because I was showcasing how to do it, so that's why you have to do once again. Okay, now again. Okay, so today is becoming very strong day. 5. I'm relying on you, Annalisa, please. 5, 6, 7, start. And 1, 2, 3, shift, torso. 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 Elbow. 1, 2, 3, shift, torso. 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 Dadu. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. Shift. 1, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. Left hand. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. Great. Okay. Good, Juliana, and good job, Annalisa. Okay. So for Annalisa, sometimes a little bit you forget, but overall it is good. Okay. And we don't do anymore because otherwise, okay, goodbye. Goodbye, Masako, forever. Okay, too much of torture is too much. Okay, let's not do excess torture. Now, what we want to remember is that you are peacock. Krishna tying the head and put peacock feather. Okay. Hopefully you will feel better after all this torture. Okay. Now I will do with you so that until you just remember vaguely. Okay. And if you are catching up with me, we can also proceed, but I'm not so sure. Let me see first. Okay. So I will do 3 times with you. And after 3 times, we can just, you can just ask me any question. So remember, it is here. It is in Mayura Mudra, Coco. Also, Coco can also even model. Okay, but first I will do the modeling. This is springtime. Brush your heels. Peacock, open the wings. And going into the spring field. Now here, look at the peacock in front of you. And how was it? 1. Let's start next 2. After here, Choka, Krishna tie his hair and put peacock feather. This, you are bending your left knee also, right knee obviously. Okay. Again, I will put Coco as the model, but remember she will be doing the opposite side than yours. Again, this is springtime. Peacock, open the wings and going into the spring field. And 1 and 2. Krishna tie his hair and put peacock feather. Stay. You have to be able to stay here. Very good. Okay. Now the model is Annalisa. Very good, Coco. Now what I want, Coco, from you is you are doing perfect. Okay. What I want to say is, like now here you are enacting a peacock. Okay, so peacock is open, like reach out. It is springtime. Going into the spring. So beautiful. How is springtime? Okay, in India, yes, India also you have spring. Okay, then Krishna here, you become Krishna, styling Krishna, and put peacock feather. Now you are showcasing your Krishna, okay, God, okay, very stylish. You super stylish. So all that you have to little bit more. Okay, you are doing but like a peacock. Okay, so if you're doing like a peacock but little bit exaggerate. Okay, because we are dancer, you are dancer, you're the star dancer. Okay, everyone is a star dancer though. So you have to be able to project what you're doing. Okay, now let me see. Okay, so Coco, now just practice with Annalisa Didi, with everyone. 5, 6, 7, start. This is springtime. Peacock, open the wings and going into spring field. And 1 and 2. And Krishna ties his hair and puts peacock feather. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. Very good. Okay. 2 things only. Okay. So this was fine. Now here you went just like this. Okay, so before going, this is springtime. Now first you have to go with your forehead to your knee, the knee and the forehead. Now keep this distance and going. Now you can slide and you can come up. Okay, you went just like this going down. No, you have to go towards the knee first to with your forehead and going out. Right? Okay. Now second thing, that is the first thing that just try. Okay. After Krishna ties his hair, this shape is very important. Now how you are doing in the end. Okay, you are doing this. Okay. Now just bring this right foot, right toe just in front, just beside your left knee. Not like this. Yeah. Okay. Now let me see the Juliana model. Then comes Rene Rui modeling. Then comes Coco modeling. Then finish. Okay. Now this is springtime. Peacock open the wings and going into the spring field. Yes. And walk in the spring field. Very good. Now, Krishna ties his hair and put peacock feather. Wow. Beautiful, Juliana. Really beautiful. Thank you. Nothing much to say because she is, I don't know, maybe she was, you have done dance before, very open. Okay, everything was fine. Only if I may add this last one. Okay, this Nakku was coming. This is Mayura Mudra. Mayura Mudra is, you know, like always I tell this Nakku. Even me, I have to be very careful. But Nakku should be. So when you did this, it was little bit like, okay, peacock feather was bending. Let's make it straight. Okay. Like this. All right. Okay. Now, everyone, you have to do again because now, okay, Coco, I think she's sleeping now. Rene is the model. Let's see. Okay. Now, he's crying. Don't worry. You're the peacock, I know. This is springtime. And peacock open the wings and going into the field. Yes, wow. And one and two. And now Krishna ties his hair and put peacock feather. Look down, look down. Yeah. Yeah, very good. Beautiful. Now, everyone, and also you have marks. So, whatever I'm just showing you is not the final version in the sense. I'm just giving you an idea how to do it. Okay. So, we will, maybe initially you copy me, but what he did, he's shaking. Okay, checking, or you know, you can add, you can also like going like this also if you want to walk more. Okay, now the last one. Okay, so last one he thought it is this. Okay, this is like this. Your knees are going diagonally towards the left side now, but your body is facing forward. But the knee is not coming, but body is coming forward. And you push your chest there, chest to the left side. And look down. This is the finals. Okay, very good. Now Coco darling is woken up. Coco, you want to show or you are sleeping? Maybe her Wi-Fi is not good. Okay, okay. So now Coco, once again with everyone, okay. Now Coco will be the model. Now after Coco, we will shoot with the, small windows, everyone together. So last practice, 5, 6, 7, start. This is springtime, Peacock open the wings. And going into the spring field. Very good. And walk in the same field. Now, Krishna, ties his head and put peacock feather. Stay. Show me everyone. Very good, Coco. Nothing to add. You were more. That's it. Yeah, Narisa. Very good. Great. Yes, your knuckles are straight. All right. So now the last version, like this we will shoot. But before I start, okay, only one request to Annalisa. Okay, so you did everything fine, but your palm is facing towards the right, so left side. So this you have to twist it. Okay, this is the palm is facing front, your right hand. This, yeah. That's it. Okay, now I'm happy Juliana's knuckle was not like this. It was straight. Okay, now we will do with everyone so that you can see later together. Okay, now preparation. This is springtime. Everyone just be in the position, please. This is the springtime. And peacock open the wing and going down into the spring field. And 1 and 2. And now Krishna, open the head, ties it, and put peacock feather. Yeah. Stay. Shoulders down, Coco. Shoulders down, Coco. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So I'm not proceeding now. Okay. We are not proceeding now because I think, yes, we need to practice a little bit more. Okay, anyways, we close today's class. 5, 6, 7, start and start. Start. Tina, kita. Start. Tina, start. Okay, thank you. Now please do copy the link. And my request is to see your part for sure. Okay. And also, it will be interesting when each one did the peacock, the spring dance. Everyone is having different atmosphere. That's beautiful. Okay. So you see also Rene's Choka and Rene's Tribangi was not what Odissi dance is supposed to be, but very interesting movement he was doing. Okay, so all that, it is also a good learning because classical dance is formative. Okay, but dance is freedom. Okay, so in the long run, when you want to add some moves, you can maybe get inspired by Rene. Okay, so it's wonderful to have professional and experienced dancer here. Okay, so one by one, I would comment one thing for Juliana. Okay, just everything, you can catch everything very quick. Okay, Now my request to you is opening your hips. Okay, that's the only thing. Okay. Now, Annalisa, I am very much impressed because you are getting everything correct. Now, only the last thing, because I told you from this one to this one, so you are like very small like this. Okay, but this, if you can keep it from, how was it? Like this. Now, you know, and here, instead of after time, not here. Okay, after time, it's big. Okay. Now, Coco, yes, I saw the difference. I saw the difference in the expression. All right. So thank you so much. You are great. So keep on doing. And for Rene is your inspiration for creativity. Nothing is bad. Okay, nothing is bad. And also, I would like everyone to see Rene's part because it is very interesting to watch. Okay, so enjoy your link. Please do watch. Okay, and see you in the next class. Love you. Good night and good morning.